Welcome to Molto Buono, a channel where you can find simple, delicious and affordable recipes mainly from the Mediterranean cuisine. In this video I'm going to show you my roasted chicken recipe that you can prepare in 10 minutes, put it in the oven for 2 hours and then you have a delicious meal that you can eat with your friends or family. My name is Kriste, and while the intro goes, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So here are the ingredients. The main ingredient is the chicken. And yes, if you have a smaller chicken, it will need less time to cook. This one is 1.5 kilos, 3 pounds of chicken, so it will need around 2 hours. 6 medium-sized carrots, half a lemon, 1 small onion, and 3-4 cloves of garlic for stuffing the chicken. And for flavoring the skin of the chicken, we'll need 1 teaspoon of dry paprika powder and 2 teaspoons of vegetable salt. In case you don't have vegetable salt, you can use 1 teaspoon of normal salt. And of course, some extra virgin olive oil. In case the chicken had some remains from the feathers, you can burn them on the burner. So let's start preparing it. First thing, we'll cut the carrots. Pieces like this. We add some olive oil, not that much, just a little bit to cover the surface, and we add some of the vegetable salt. And we mix it. That's perfect. Next, let's stuff this chicken with the onion and lemon. So, in the opening, we first squeeze the lemon. And then we add the pieces of lemon, garlic and onion. Let's take the legs out. Now, I use this piece of aluminum foil to just close it. We'll have it ready. We take the vegetable salt and the paprika powder, we mix them together. So the only thing left is to add some flavors to the skin. We add as little as possible olive oil on the skin. This way the mixture will stick, otherwise it will fall off. On the lower side as well. You don't need much oil. On the sides as well. For me, this seems perfect. Make sure that the chicken is standing on the carrots. And we have it ready, and we can put it in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. That's it. If I remember good, this was the first full meal that I have cooked perfectly at home, because it's so easy. You have few simple steps, you do it, and you have a meal not for yourself but for your whole family. If you haven't, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. In case you have some questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and buon appetito!